Hello children, hope everyone is fine and you are staying at home. I am going to tell you a story, Why Birds Sing at Dawn. Author is Jenny Lee Dlamini. Illustrator is Emmanuel Grabo. A long time ago, in the forest of Happy Land, birds and trees could talk to each other. There was a bird family with 3 children, blue, pink and yellow. They all lived on a big wise tree called Mamango. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. But drops setting on the land, rivers dried up and leaves fell off. Mamango thought long and hard. Maybe we should get the magic wand that brings rain. But who can go? I will go. I am not afraid, Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home? What if we sing Mama's song? Yellow asked. Mama said if we sing her song, she will find her way back. But I don't know how to sing, cried Pink. Have you tried singing? Mamango asked. I have tried singing, said Yellow. I can teach you. Early the next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song and the rain started falling. It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine. Eventually, all the birds joined Yellow in song. Mama Birdie found her way back to Happy Land, and from then on, birds sang at dawn. Thank you for listening.